Here we go.
The next one is the huge helicopter.
This is great. This is called Falgas Sky Rescue. Right.
Rescue helicopter.
Right, do you want to go around that side so I can... That's it. Film down there so I can pay.
Hold it down.
Authorising.
Wait.
Yay! We'll go and wait on the bench.
Prepare for takeoff! Stand back a bit further. This is green. Let's move on a bit. It's got cool music. There's the cockpit. It's got long we prepare for landing. And that was the Sky Rescue helicopter kiddie ride by Falgas. Started at Western Babel Shopping Centre in Northampton. And as you can see, the Fun Hub code is 1217.
Fun Hub?
The code is 12017. I've never done this app before.
No, this looks good. We're Fun Hub. We'll have to do that when we get home.
We'll give that a demonstration.
Film a little bit of it so we know what it's called.
Fun Hub.
Fun Hub, and then film the QR in case any of your subscribers want to do it as well.
1217.
There we go.
So that we can use this as a guide.
Fabulous.